Hello guys, welcome back on Sopitech. I am Naveen and today we will discuss about page and post of WordPress. So basically today I will show you that how you can use page and post inside WordPress. So you need to understand firstly that what is the important tools between page and post and how you can create a very attractive page or very attractive post and what will be difference between these all. Okay, so let's start guys. Okay guys, so now you can see that this is my dashboard, WordPress dashboard, and now I will show you that how to create page and post. Okay, so you need to focus on my screen, and firstly I will make one post and then I will make one page. Okay, so now you can see that the left hand side the all is the tools, and I already explained about these all tools. If you don't know, then you can see my previous video, and there in that session I already explained about these all tools. Okay, so now I will click on post, and there I will click on add new post. Okay, so basically I will create one new post and one new page, and then I will show you that what is the difference between. Okay, so it's opening. Please wait. Okay guys, now you can see that it's open, and firstly I need to give the title of this post. So basically you need to understand it carefully that when you will provide the title of this post, that's called your post names. Means when this post names will be, if you want to link this post with any button, then you need to link the URL of this post, and there you can attach. Okay, attach the link with that button. Okay, so basically you can see that I will provide here the name of this post, just like new post. Okay, all right. So now it depends on you that if you have Elementor, and then you can use Elementor. If you want to edit this post with Elementor, then you can use it. Then you need to click on edit with Elementor. And if you don't want to use Elementor, simply you want to create something inside WordPress, then you can normally type here, just like I am typing here. Okay guys, so now you can see that I am typing here very small characters. So now you can see that I need to publish it. I will click on publish. Okay guys, so basically this post is ready, and if I want to see, then I will click here view post, then I can see also. Okay, but I don't want to see right now. Basically I want to show you that how to create the page, and then I will show you that what is the difference between both. Okay, so I will go back again, and now I will make one new page. Okay, over mouse on page, and then I will click on add new page. Now I will give the page name, means page title. So I will give the name page title new page. Okay, new page. And similarly, if I want to write here something, then I can write just like. Okay guys, so now you can see that I am writing here something very small contents, and this is the page title. So similarly, if you provide the page title, then it will be also URL name, just like if I am using a new page, then if I will open this page inside the URL section, then you can see inside URL that there will be display new page. Okay, so now I will publish it. Okay, basically my one post and one page is already created. Okay, now I will show you one by one that how it's work. So now I will go on all posts. and now you can see that it's created new post. So I will click control view. Okay, and now I will go again on all pages. Inside this page section I need to click on new page. You can see this one. So now I will click here. So basically inside both page and post you need to understand that inside post there will be display the date of your post. Just like if you want to write something inside the blogs, then you need to use the post, not you can't use the page. Okay, because inside post you can display the date of post, that when your post will be is published. Okay, and you can also display the author name of your blogs. And inside page it's only normal. So basically page is always mostly used for create the web pages. Okay, just like if I'm creating the one website inside WordPress, then I can use page for making about us page, contact us page, help us page, or home page. Okay, so now I will show you. I will click on post and I will click again on new page. So now you can see that this is the page. Okay, so basically inside this page sections I will want to show you that you can see that there is displaying only for page testing inside WordPress, which I already written inside the page section when I created it. Okay, so now you can see this. And now similarly I will click on post, and there you can see that I am writing here only for checked. I already written here. So inside this post you can see that there is displaying the author name Navin Pandey 1603, and there is displaying the date 18th August 2020. Okay, if you are using categories of your post, there will be also display. And if you have any comments related from this post, there will be also display in this section. Okay, so inside post section you can also understand that inside post section there will be display the important points by default. Just like you can see, I hope you can understand that inside post you can make anything inside post. You can use also grid, you can use elementary plugins to make attractive post. Okay, so but it's always remember that inside the post there will be display the date, category name, comments, and author name. Okay, if you want to keep a hidden something, then you need to write the internal code inside the CSS and JavaScript also. Okay, but inside the page section you can see that there is not displaying anything. It's absolutely blank. Okay, because there is not displaying anything, just like comment, date, author's name, anything. There is nothing displaying. Here there is inside page section there will be display only the related content. Okay, so I hope guys you can understand that what is the difference between post and between the post and page. So if you want to create, but it's always remember that if you want to create the page for your website, then you can use only page, you can't use the post. But if you want to write something blogs or something informative sections, and you want to display the author name with date, and or if you want to provide the comment section also, and you want to see that how many people comment on your post, then you can use post section. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video and you understand that what is the difference between post and page. Okay, so nice, and I hope you understand. So please share and subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe because it's most important topics, and you will get my all incoming videos related from WordPress and latest technology. So basically you can subscribe my channel, and just don't forget to share this video with your friends. Okay, so see you soon again. So bye, tata, take care.